Good morning. Here are the top stories for the 10th of July 2026. Political news. India-Australia deepens strategic ties. India and Australia sign uranium export deal during PM Modi's visit. The agreement strengthens India's long-term energy security and supports cleaner power expansion, which can affect growth, jobs, and future electricity supply. Australia has agreed to export uranium to India for exclusively peaceful purposes. The deal comes after years of negotiation and is tied to IAEA safeguards. India positions itself amid West Asia tensions. Headline: PM Modi urges dialogue as West Asia tensions continue to rise. Escalation in West Asia can affect energy markets, trade flows, and regional stability, with direct consequences for Indian households and businesses. India and Australia called for restraint, uninterrupted energy supplies, and respect for international law during talks in Melbourne. Sports update. Indian cricket faces must-win challenge. Headline: India takes on England in the 4th T20I in Bristol tonight. High-pressure international cricket remains a major public interest story and can influence team momentum, fan sentiment, and sports coverage across the country. India trails the 5-match series 0-2, making this a crucial match to stay alive in the contest. Young Indian tennis player makes history. Arnav Paparkar reaches the Wimbledon Juniors Boys Singles Quarterfinals. A strong performance by a young Indian athlete at Wimbledon highlights the growing depth of Indian tennis and inspires grassroots sporting ambition. Paparkar became the first Indian in 36 years to reach the boys singles quarterfinals at Wimbledon Juniors. Economics. Markets end higher after volatile session. Indian stock markets recover, with Sensex and Nifty closing in the green. Market direction affects investor confidence, retirement savings, business sentiment, and broader economic outlook. Sensex closed at 76,741.82, up 238.22 points, while Nifty ended at 23,962.80, up 80.75 points. IT stocks stayed under pressure ahead of TCS results. IT sector remains under pressure. Headline: Indian IT companies face a subdued quarter amid AI shift and weak demand. The IT sector is a major employer and export engine for India, so slower growth can affect jobs, earnings, and sectoral investment. Reuters reported that the Nifty IT index had fallen sharply in 2026, and analysts expected another muted quarter as AI-driven pricing pressure and weak spending continued. Technology. AI and digital business remain a major focus. India's tech sector faces AI-led disruption while startups continue to attract investment. Technology shifts shape employment, consumer services, cybersecurity, and the future of India's digital economy. Reuters flagged AI-driven pressure on IT firms, while Yosteri's daily startup roundup pointed to active funding and innovation in areas such as security and mobile gaming. Society. Monsoon damage hits daily life. Heavy rains and landslides disrupt life in several parts of India. Monsoon disruption affects transport, school routines, rescue operations, and the safety of vulnerable communities. Reports from Kerala's Wayanad showed a deadly landslide with missing persons, while other monsoon updates highlighted flooding, delays, and weather-related disruption across regions. Violence against doctors sparks concern. Doctor resigns after alleged assault in Thane, reigniting debate on safety in hospitals. Violence against healthcare workers weakens public trust and can affect patient care and emergency services. The case has renewed discussion about hospital security and protection for medical staff in public health systems. International affairs. US-Iran conflict intensifies. The United States and Iran exchange strikes again as tensions deepen in West Asia. Any escalation around the Strait of Hormuz can influence oil prices, shipping routes, and India's energy and inflation outlook. Reports said both sides traded strikes for a second day. Iranian state-linked reports said the attacks caused casualties and targeted US-linked locations in the Gulf. Breaking news. High-impact national and global flashpoints. Headline: India news cycle is dominated by monsoon disruption, metro delays, West Asia tensions, and strategic diplomacy. These stories together shape public safety, transport, energy security, markets, and foreign policy priorities. Bengaluru Metro faced delays. Wayanad reported a deadly landslide. India signed a uranium deal with Australia, and the US-Iran conflict intensified. That's your July 10th morning news update. Have a good day ahead.